Got to get our kickout flashing into this roof system. So I'll have to take loose some step flashing and some shingles to get up underneath the first couple courses like this. So we'll get up underneath this edge right here. We'll have to cut this shingle here to get it to fit the flashing here. Kind of mark here. We can remove this flashing here that's sticking past the roof line. It won't be needed after we put in the J'd Out Kickout. The siding will end up covering this so no one will even know it's there on the wall. Get it under the house wrap and under the first step tin, like so. So now water will run down through here and onto the kickout flashing and come out and be kicked right on away from the wall.
Perfect.
Into the gutter. End of our J channel lines up here with the drip edge coming up through, so that now when we run vinyl J channel up through here, it can tuck into this pocket and the siding can run through here. A couple into the flashing slots, nail slots. You can nail that step tin back down. So we've got one side of the bottom side of the kickout flashing taped in. I'll peel this off and stick this down to the house wrap. Now we're gonna put a piece over top and underneath the house wrap. Now we've got it stuck up underneath the house wrap onto the OSB. We can stick the rest of it.
Take 6.
Now she's taped in. Now we can fold the house wrap down and put it back together.